this video, I'm going to show you how you can transfer money or send money from Exodus to Cash App. So the first thing that we want to do is get our Cash App wallet address. So open up Cash App, then click on the banking icon here in the bottom left. And once we have clicked on the banking icon, we will select Bitcoin. Now, once we have opened up the Bitcoin tab, we'll scroll down until we see deposit Bitcoin, get your Bitcoin address. Click on this option and then get or copy your Bitcoin address. Okay, so once we have copied our Bitcoin address, then I'll just refer us to this article here. We'll need to open up the Exodus mobile app and click on the wallet icon. Then we will choose the amount which we want to send in Bitcoin. So just choose Bitcoin here and click on the send arrow on the left side of our wallet. So it's going to be this one. Then we can choose whether we want to send US dollars or Bitcoin, whether we want to convert it. And here's where we type the Bitcoin address. So like I said, we will paste the Cash App address, which we copied from our application in this field. And then we can click on continue and choose the amount which we want to send. And then we'll just verify the amount and click on OK. And that's going to send the Bitcoin into as you can see, it also converts it into dollars and it's going to send it into our Cash App account. So I hope this helps you out. Hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.